Awesome. That's quite a collection. I don't think that I should scrap these things. They look like that. I don't know if somebody would buy that. You guys tell me before I scrap it. For now, I'm gonna put all of this into my storage building. But it's like pewter and brass, all these kind of cool things. Should I sell it or should I scrap it? Scrap metal. Seems to be quite a bit of pretty cool stuff in here. That's a neck piece, apparently. Pretty cool, actually. What do you guys think? Before I scrap it, because it is pewter. Yeah, pewter. Pewter. Anyways, it's pretty cool stuff in here, so I'm not gonna bring this and go start grinding on it and seeing whether it's brass or what it is, copper. I'm gonna put this in my storage building because there's a lot of cool stuff in there, and see if you guys think that I should. Look at that, pretty cool stuff. 1983, 84, something Powell, blah blah blah. Somebody's name on that. All right, so should I sell it at a flea market or scrap it? Silver plated something EPON steel, made in Italy. All right, so until you guys tell me what to do with this, I'm gonna put it in my storage building. I think it's pretty cool, and I think it'd probably sell better on at a flea market or something like that as opposed to scrapyard. It's in here. Pretty cool. Another one of them big plates. Like that one. I guess that would look good on me, but I'm not going to try it on. Pretty cool. Not sure what it stands for. I'm thinking flea market, everybody. Flea market. Oh, by By the way, if anybody sees anything in here that they would really like to have, just say so. I will make it happen. Silver plate. These are cool. Like I say, if you see anything in here, you just have to have. These are pewter because it says so on the bottom. It's heavy too. Holiday Imports. Silver plate. That's cool. Huh. I like that. Looks like a little sterno fire thing. I don't know. Spoon. Lennox. I drink Flea Market, personally. I just do. I think, the heck. Oh, Flea Market stuff. Alright, my sister wants her basket back. This actually came from my sister. Get her basket back.